Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Pi.
What does the dictionary say?
The letter P, used as the symbol for the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter.
Math rap.
3.14159 pi never quits. It's the distance around a circle divided by the line across it. Basically 22/7. Its symbol's a stool. Pi times a circle's diameter is the circumference size rule.
Math rap.
A mathematician's favorite dessert? Pie. It's not a piece of cake, you know. Why is it hard to keep explaining pie? Because it goes in circles and it's hard to swallow no matter how you slice it. Explain pie in your own words. Get creative. Draw a scene using as many pie symbols as you possibly can in the objects that you are drawing. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!